What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota 4Runner Smart Key Remote Fob. This Toyota 4Runner key fob is going to be for the 4Runners that have a push button start ignition. It'll be one of the options. There's a couple different ones. And this key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see this notch right here that the end of my key's in. And if you notice, the end of this key has a little bit of a lip. So what I'm going to do is stick the key in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it pops the case apart. And we can see our circuit board right here. And if your circuit board is sticking in the back like this is, you can use your key just to kind of get under the edge of it and get it out of there. And now we see our battery right here. So again, I'm going to use the edge of my key to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side up. Kind of tuck that edge in first and then snap it down into place. And then you can move your circuit board around, make sure it's back in that little rubber piece as it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.